Forensics Tech Guy here. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's important for the YouTube algorithms. Can police use YouTube videos as evidence? The YouTube uploaded video must have some bearing on the case for admissibility and relevance to the subject matter of the case. However, if the video has no relevance such as certain actions taken or behavior that does not connect to the charges of the case, the judge may declare the evidence as inadmissible. Video files found online through social media, chat programs, email, and other websites could have partial or complete use in a courtroom setting as evidence for a criminal trial. Any video evidence offered must be deemed admissible by the judge. For a video to remain as part of the evidence against a person, it must have relevance, must prove or demonstrate something, not violate hearsay rules, and have authentic qualities that an expert could prove in the courtroom. With these guidelines in place, a video is usually a form of evidence the lawyer could use against a person for criminal proceedings. But as with all evidence offered, it is the judge who makes the final determination of what is admissible. There are certain guidelines that uploaders of YouTube must follow. However, even if the video is no longer available on the website, there are others that may provide confirmation that the video did exist so that a lawyer could contact the administrator of the site to provide a copy of file. Through access or file itself, prosecutor may have additional evidence that helps prove defendant did commit crime. The defendant may even incriminate himself or herself by explaining what happened, why and when. With say details, prosecution may have an easier time proving guilt. YouTube uploads generally include many forms of evidence available that our legal team could use against individual. In criminal trials, prosecutor will attempt to gain file if it is not available or require it to demonstrate concern with courtroom. The lawyer will often hire an expert witness to analyze video to record authenticity and relevance to case. It is possible to show judge or jury that person is defendant, that he or she did commit crime and that there was no doctoring of video by any party which could refute proof supplied. The YouTube uploaded video must have some bearing on case for admissibility and relevance to subject matter of case. For property destruction, robbery, theft and assault on a person, video may prove actions of defendant as proof. However, if video has no relevance such as certain actions taken or behavior that does not connect to charges of case, judge may declare evidence as inadmissible. It must connect to defendant in some manner, and it must connect actions or behavior of defendant to crime in which he or she received charges. When attempting to prove that EO is admissible, and evidence of a relevant crime committed by defendant, prosecution will generally hire an expert. The professional will need to demonstrate and prove to courtroom that EO is authentic. He or she will test file and ensure that there is no corruption, that scene and person in EO are both truly in location and that there was no tampering with details. Proving authenticity is important for EO to remain as evidence, and expert witness hired will explain how it is authentic to judge or jury panel. In closing, prosecution must demonstrate that EO upload is valuable and should remain as a piece of evidence. It is important to establish that upload is more valuable as evidence than it could cause emotional harm or distress to jury. If file exposes a gruesome murder, value of VO increases significantly when prosecution is able to show jury panel that person committing murder is defendant. Thanks for watching and remember to like, share, and subscribe.